Our universe is constantly and infinitely expanding. Let that sink in. Now think. It makes my head spin just thinking about this concept of never-ending space. Yet we all live in this universe, and you could say we're all crew members aboard the spaceship, planet Earth. At any given moment, an astronomical phenomenon could be taking place in our vast universe, such as supernovas, gamma-ray bursts, and imploding neutron stars. These scientific events are just the tip of the iceberg of our knowledge of outer space. In fact, we know more about outer space than our own oceans here on Earth. And mathematics is the key to these astronomical discoveries. Now, astronomers use math literally every day, but let's start with something simple, like counting stars. There is estimated to be 1 septillion stars in the universe. That's a lot of zeros. But even though this is such a large number, this estimate is actually calculated by astronomical mathematicians. They take the estimated 10 trillion galaxies in the universe and multiply that by our Milky Way galaxy's 100 billion stars. And with this application of math, we further our understanding of outer space. Another way they use math is peeking through a telescope. All things seen and recorded through the telescope are basically endless arrays of numbers. These directly correlate with the measurement of brightness from objects in space or the categories of light. And the only way to comprehend these numbers is through math and statistics. They can measure distance, size, weight, and age of all things through the application of math. Now, mathematics and astronomy almost always go hand in hand in the intellectual world. Many famous astronomers were also ingenious mathematicians, like Nicholas Copernicus, who created the first accurate model of our solar system, or Isaac Newton, who discovered the basic laws of physics we call Newton's laws of motion. These scientific findings would have never been uncovered had it not been for the essential application of mathematics. Now, perhaps the most famous was Albert Einstein, who proposed the theory of relativity, or E equals mc squared. This equation stated that the energy and mass are the same physical property that can be interchanged with each other. This led to the scientific discovery of splitting atoms, and subsequently, the atom bomb. Now, clearly, there is no limit to what math can do in astronomy. Without math, the concept of astronomy wouldn't even exist, and we all just stare at the night sky dumbfounded by the mystery of space. Math has shaped our fundamental understanding of how the universe was made and functions. They say outer space is the final frontier. While even math put a man on the moon, and deep space travel is no longer a fantasy of science with the application of mathematics. So the next time you're thinking of our planets, or just staring at the stars of the night sky, thank math for helping you comprehend them.